Here is everything you need to know about the French-themed resort, Paris, Las Vegas. This resort is undergoing a much-needed renovation. It's connected by corridor to Horseshoe, which used to be Bally's. You can sometimes find room rates at Paris starting around $25 a night, but the average is closer to $150 a night. Check-in for the Versailles Tower is at Horseshoe, and check-in on the Paris side is kind of a nightmare. Expect to wait at least an hour, and do not count on these kiosks to work because they rarely do. The rooms on the Paris side and the Bordeaux Tower particularly are run down. The hotel is fairly clean, but expect threadbare carpet and no amenities. And if you have an issue, expect customer service to be pretty much missing in action. Of the Caesars-owned properties, this is one of the more beautiful gaming floors. The replica Eiffel Tower comes straight into the resort. Even the bathrooms are heavily French-themed. If you have a free or discounted stay and you have to pick a Caesars property, this is one of the better options. As for food, the buffet is gone forever. Mon Ami Gaby and Eiffel Tower are owned by the same people. Both have beautiful views and are good French restaurants. Alexa is fairly priced and has a great patio. Bobby's Burgers isn't bad. Cafe Americano is bad, but they're always busy. The piano bar has been turned into a Monte Cristo cigar bar, which is actually pretty good if you're into that. Nobu for overpriced fish. This is about as busy as Martha Stewart's ever gets because it's overpriced and not good. But Vanderpump is worth every bit of the hype, is beautiful, and though it's expensive, it's worth a visit. I'll share more details in the comments. Have you been? Would you go? Let me know, and follow me for all the Vegas.